ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia. Ka Shong ha ka jinglong scam, bat jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka linti ya jongpi, ka la ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party ka bayo ban bat yulakam Synshar pokari India ban yalame ka sarkar menta kala bu ka Thong ban Punjab hado South Part ligi seat hakini election MP ka ban Salongshan khanang ban yo Biang ban Synshar ha Delhi yakni la pentem da u chuba au ubadai noilam ka BJP badai pe ka jela Meghalaya ha ka jingdon lang dengkan bat u Rickman Moment ha ka jing kendo bat kilat patai kubor.
There are many candidates in assembly election, even Lok Sabha election also. We have seen previously that some will get 2,000 votes, some will get 500 votes like that. So where they will go? So we have to invite them, open to invite every candidate who like to join the BJP. So they have invited and they will be joining together because our house has to be increased. The volume has to be increased, strength has to be organized. That is why I have given this work to our state president Rickman ji to channelize how to reach to the grassroots level. One. Number two, this beneficiaries scheme. This is sometime in office area we do it officially, but it doesn't reach the real beneficiaries. So we have instructed them to state office bearer, district president, including the mandal president. Now Morcha also they will do the same, state, district and Morcha, including this both level committee president. All three, it should be landed to ground and ask everyone openly that what benefit you got it. The third will be Lok Sabha preparation is going on and our target is 400 this time. So we will achieve 400 seats. So that is why we have to go everywhere, weak constituency wherever we didn't get. But we are doing our level best to reach them, and progress report is very good, very encouraging. We believe that we will achieve this one. This is our mission. There are some weak seats also there. We have calculated. Some seats are regional centric seats also there, but we try to improve that one. And Meghalaya also we will do it because last two elections we have seen that it was not so much fruitful. But this time we are going to do in such a way that people will understand that what is going on in national level, how they give us facility, all these things. So we will reach to the grassroots level this time.
So
Previously it was not reached. Oh, see, we will work first, and after that, this matter we will discuss with the state team, then it will go to national team, then we will sit together with Prime Minister and Home Minister together, then we will allow the ticket.
how many people have approached the party for ticket?
Till now, verbally to many people, but verbally will not do that because one has to be acceptable by the people. We have instructed our party workers also start working. This time so we could not celebrate even Christmas also, New Year also. We are working day and night. I believe it will be come up to the level. Let announcement of the party candidate, the reason is there is no organization. Because organization, if it is weak, then definitely we will have a tough time to select the candidate. So this time we are strengthening the organization first.